Hey everyone, Dr. Crank here at Waco Animal Hospital, and today we're going to be talking about how to prevent intestinal parasites in your dog.
All right, Dr. Crank, can all intestinal parasites be prevented?
So most of them can. It is something that a lot of the heartworm preventions that we have available are going to prevent against a wide array of those intestinal parasites. That's a great type of preventative for them to be on. And then there's also other types of dewormers as well that are out there that are strictly dewormers that are sometimes used as a preventative type thing too.
All right, so can my indoor dog still get intestinal parasites?
They can. So whether your dog is just going out to use the bathroom, or even if you are walking through a yard and potentially step on some dog poo and track it in, that is a definite way that they can get exposed. Or even if they have fleas, they can actually get exposed to tapeworm eggs and still have those intestinal parasites form.
So what can I do to prevent tapeworm?
So as far as tapeworms go, they are ones that are going to be coming from a dog ingesting a flea. Not all fleas carry them, but some fleas do carry tapeworm eggs. Once your dog ingests that flea, that actually allows the egg to hatch inside of your dog, and out comes the adult tapeworm. And so in order to prevent that, you need to be sure that your dog and any other pets that it's exposed to in the home are on an effective flea prevention. And that's a year-round type of a thing. And then it is something as well that if your dog's a farm dog or an outside dog, maybe some kind of a mole hunter in the backyard, those types of rodents and things can carry fleas as well. So they may be wanting to have a prophylactic deworming as far as either keeping them on a heartworm prevention that deworms against the tapeworms, or even deworming them every so often each year.
So how can I keep my dog from passing intestinal parasites to other pets in the household?
So that's going to be something that preventing it is a great thing to do for everybody, but it's also something that, as far as things go, if you know your dog has intestinal worms and you're working on getting that treated, you want to make sure you're picking up the stool. Either wear a glove or use a baggie, turn it inside out, and pick up that poo, because it is something that will sit in there and actually allow some of those eggs to come out into the stool, and your other animals could inadvertently get exposed.
Can any intestinal parasites be passed from a dog to people?
So they can. There are certain ones that can actually be caught by humans, and a lot of times that's going to be due to exposure from either not being necessarily hygienic, so not washing your hands well after cleaning up from your dog's poo, and actually ingesting some eggs as far as that goes, or even by actually being out in the yard and stepping barefoot. So children are certainly ones that are a little more prone to getting these, but if they step on the eggs themselves, then they can actually have worms that can be brought up through their skin as well.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.